Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song I Still Believe by Jeremy Camp. As usual, I'm going to play the song for you right now, and then after I play it, I'm going to break it down and kind of explain it to you in more detail. So be sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and get started with the song.
Scattered words and empty thoughts seem to pour from my heart. I've never felt so torn before. Seems I don't know where to start, but it's now that I feel your grace fall like rain from every fingertip, washing away my pain. I still believe in your faithfulness. I still believe in your truth. I still believe in your holy word. Even when I don't see, I still believe. Though the questions still fog up my mind, with promises I still seem to bear. Even when answers slowly unwind, it's my heart I see you've prepared. But it's now that I feel your grace fall like rain from every fingertip, washing away my pain. I still believe in your faithfulness. I still believe in your truth. I still believe in your holy word. Even when I don't see, I still believe. Well, the only place I can go is into your arms, where I throw to you my feeble prayers. In your brokenness, I can see that this was your will for me. Help me to know you are near. I still believe in your faithfulness. I still believe in your truth. I still believe in your holy word. Even when I don't see, I still believe.
So for the verse of this song, we have a progression where we're walking from C to C over B, and the way we're going to play that on the acoustic guitar is we're going to keep our C position, but we're going to remove our third finger, we're going to take our second finger and move it up a string. Still on the second fret, but on the A string now. And what that's going to do, it's going to give us that B note. So we want to make sure that we're starting our strumming on that root, on that B note, and that we're not starting it on the low E string. Okay? So it creates that walk for us from C to B, and then from here we're going to the E minor chord, okay? And we want to make sure at that point that we're starting our strumming on that low E string, and that's what's going to separate that C over B from the E minor, because technically we still have that second finger down on that B note, on the second fret of the A string, okay? So in order to make that clear distinction, it's very important where you're starting your strumming. Okay, so we have the C, C over B, and then E minor. Okay, so you want to clearly hear that C note, the B note, and the E minor, the E note on that E minor. And then from there we're going to go to the F, or in this case I'm playing F over C variation. And then we do that progression again, C, C over B. We're going to skip the E minor and go straight to F over C. And we're going to hold that F over C for an extra measure. So that's the progression for the verse. You'll notice for those verses, those chords, each one of those chords is lasting for one measure, just one measure for 3 beats. And then we switch, except for every other F over C. That one is holding for 2 measures. Okay, but for every other chord in the verse, they're each only lasting for 1 measure. It's pretty quick, the transitions. But when we get out of the verse and we go to the pre-chorus and the chorus, those are cut in, they're basically lasting twice as long. So each one of those chords is going to last for 2 measures. So that's important to make that distinction. We're going to be transitioning from one chord to the next pretty fast on the verses, but then when we get out of there to the chorus and the pre-chorus, the chords are going to last longer. They're going to last twice as long. And then when we get to the bridge, the chords go back to lasting for just 1 measure each, okay? So we're back to really quick chords and really fast transitions when we get to the bridge. For the strum pattern of this song, we're going to use the sway pattern, which is a 3-beat strum pattern. We're going to have 3 down strums with up strums added after beat 2 and 3. So let me just play that strum pattern slowly for you so that you can hear what it would sound like. I'm just going to hold the C chord. 1, 2 and 3 and 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 1. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.